Alright, so we're detailing my instructors, Jeep Grand Wagoneer, my other instructors, Jeep Cherokee over there. So just brushing the rims while they spray down the car and wash it down. So I'm just detailing, I'm just brushing down the rims and tires. Excuse me. All right, so now I'm gonna do these tires of this Jeep Grand Cherokee over here. Sorry about that, guys. My friend keeps spraying water all over me. So let's go ahead and get started with this Cherokee. It's my secondary instructor's car. All right, so I just got done scrubbing the wheels and rims and stuff off my instructor's Wagoneer and my secondary instructor's Grand Cherokee. So we're gonna dry it up and clean it. We're gonna dry it up and be right back and see how they look. All right, so we're rinsing off the soap off my primary instructor's Wagoneer. All right, so we're just rinsing the soap off both of these cars, and we're about to dry them up as soon as possible. We'll be right back. Get these spots right here. Get these off. The soap spot. All right, we're gonna dry them. Be right back. All right, so I'm about to dry the mirrors and stuff while they dry the whole car. So as I was saying, I'm about to dry these whole mirrors and stuff off. Finna dry these windows. Alright, so finna continue drying these windows. Gonna get these door handles. Get the headlights. Do the second mirror, or the passenger mirror. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.